friends. Hope everybody is doing well today. I decided I would record doing my own gels. If you would like to learn how to quickly do your own gel polish at home, it's super easy, super quick. Your nails dry super fast. I honestly cannot stand wearing regular polish anymore because I hate waiting for it to dry. And so I have bought several of these Beetles colors off of Amazon. I like them. They stay in place very well. This one is like galaxy inspired one. It has two cat eyes polishes, this one, and the one I'm going to be using today is just a black, and then you put this magnetic cat eye over it and use the magnet, which is this, and UV lamp. These are my yucky nails right now, so I was going to do my acrylics today, but I'm just not really feeling up to it, so we're just going to do gel polish today. And if you would like to learn how to do your own gel polish at home quickly and save a ton of money, please keep watching. Thanks. So here is just all of the items that I will be using today to do my gel nails. And I had already went ahead and cleaned up my nails, but I'm going back in with my nail file and just cleaning up the edges, making sure my cuticles are pushed back, softening any sharp edges. And now you want to go ahead and buff any shine off of your nails. And this is Nail Prep Dehydrator. Using Dehydrator and then the primer, which I'll be using next, really makes all the difference in the world with helping your gel manicure last for up to 2 weeks. And now I'm just going ahead and cure it for a few seconds to dry it and going in with that primer. Again, just drying it for a few seconds. And now we are going to go ahead and start with our gel base coat. Making sure to cap the nails. And then to go ahead and clean any excess off of your cuticle as you go along. You'll see me do that in just a minute. Here I am capping. And my nails are super short. Just go on in with your thumb and again clean off any excess off of your cuticles before you go ahead and cure. So once you cure, your nails are dry. And I'll let them cure for about 30 seconds. And now you're ready to apply your first coat of polish. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the black, rolling it between my hands just to mix the color a little bit, and begin applying. And just remember as you go along always to cap and clean up the excess off your cuticles. Cure for about 30 seconds. I'm just go ahead and I'm doing the other hand now. Usually I cure both hands together, but black seems so messy sometimes. It's easier to cure the one hand and then have like that clean thumbnail to go ahead and get the excess off of the cuticle with that dried thumb. ahead and cure. And we're applying our second and final coat of the black. And you can't really see right there, but what I'm doing is when I wipe the cuticle with the nail and then I wipe on that paper towel that's sitting right there. Cure it for about a minute. Now we're ready to apply the cat eye magnetic galaxy looking polish. This is really such a pretty color. Even before it's being magnetized, it's really kind of pretty on its own. Even as you can see, it's like this metallic teal. But it's really neat to see how it transforms. Once it is magnetized, you kind of see the different colors and almost like a star effect in the background. It's probably my favorite. And now I'm going in with the magnet. And kind of do it on that angle there, and I will do all of the fingers on that hand in the same direction. And just to save time, I did not record the other hand. But the line for the cat eye is going in the opposite direction. You'll see at the end when the nails are complete. Now I really decided to go ahead in with a second coat of this magnetic cat eye because I wanted more of a dramatic effect with the line. So I went in and kind of held the magnet just slightly over a little bit so that you would get a kind of thicker cat eye line or almost a dual on some nails. I wanted a little bit more of a dramatic effect. The other thing I love about this color is under this light it looks blue. Like you can see the cat eye effect look pretty like a bluish teal. In sunlight you'll see it almost look fuchsia or a combination of both blue and fuchsia. I think it shows that on the cap in the beginning. Now we're just going in and I'm applying the final top coat. And this is really going to bring out that shine, as well as protect your polish from chipping or lifting, just looking fantastic. Just remembering again always to cap the nail and clean off any excess off of your cuticle with each coat. And now you're going to go ahead and cure for about 1.5 to 3 minutes as your final time. And that is it. Now I like to just go in with a cuticle oil. And I love this cuticle oil I'm about to show you. It smells good. It just is fantastic. I purchased this from Sally's. You're going to go ahead and put that on all your fingers and rub all around your cuticles and under the nail. This is going to help your hands feel fantastic, and also it's going to help in that cleanup. So, you know, there's going to be a little bit of polish maybe on your skin. Black seems to be a little bit messy at times, whether it's gel or regular, and this is going to help the rest of that come off of your skin after your first wash. Definitely after a shower. And there's the final look. I really love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and everyone's doing well, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.